I got myself a copy of the Ashley Book of Knots to do an Ashley Book of Knots challenge. This book was first published in 1944 and was written by Clifford Ashley, who devoted 11 years to putting this book together. I think of this book as being the ultimate encyclopedia and instructional book for knots and knot tying. There are around 3,900 knots described in this book, with thousands of illustrations. I've gone through this book before, but I've never read it line by line. I got to some chapters and decided I would never use this information, so I skipped over it. I also got to some knots and thought that they were way too complicated to spend any time on. My plan is to start at page 1, reading all that is written and attempting to tie every knot listed. There are 41 chapters with numbers to reference each knot, how to tie them, their use, or some related information. The main purpose of this challenge is to learn something new. If you want to learn along with me, grab some rope and be ready to challenge yourself. Let's get this challenge started.